Hello, welcome back to It's New. One of us here is having a bad hair day. I'm not going to say who. I don't want to embarrass anybody, but it's not me. That's all I'm saying.
It's
I
terrible.
don't see it. What the heck? You
I just
guys
need a
doing?
haircut. My barber is like off. I don't know what to do. I can't get my haircut till Thursday.
Sorry. Anyway, Anu, what do you got for us?
Yeah, Google is disabling conversion tracking if you don't make a new update.
I got Google's AI mode rolling out in the UK. Greg, what do you got?
Have trouble finding what you're looking for on Google? Maybe the new Help Me Shop in AI mode can help you.
And Morty.
I'll have a set of AI gibberish with that.
All right. And Anu, whenever you're ready to go ahead.
Sure. So, recently we had Adrian Decker who reported on LinkedIn that he got this message from Google saying that, we've reviewed your account and found that the attached sites and apps do not comply with Google's EU user consent policy. So this all has to do with implementing the consent mode V2, and from July 21st, Google has implemented that if you don't implement consent mode V2, your EU traffic will be running partially blind, meaning you can't really do a lot of like remarketing or conversion tracking properly. Your conversion tracking won't be working properly, and you doing the whole audience targeting well. So that is definitely important for our day and age of everything being broad. So you want to make sure you update that. And in that letter, it says that, you understand if you're still working on your site and you need to contact them to help if you need that implemented straight away.
Yeah, this seems interesting. I don't know if it's just an EU thing or if you're in the US and marketing towards the EU. But yeah, it seems like some people are getting these notices. And the big issue with conversion tracking not tracking is that also could affect your ad performance going forward. So that could be an issue. So if you got this email, I would probably jump at it or just delete it and don't care. But it seems like it's a pretty significant notification.
Yeah, if you can't do remarketing, your remarketing is going to do pretty bad.
Yeah, for sure. All right, and then
sorry, not a rocket scientist, but
yeah. And
well, you're
then
no.
He means no, that hairdo. Come on. Anyway, Google's rolling out AI mode in the UK. It was super weird. Google announced this I don't know, at really, really, really late in the UK time. It was announced probably close to midnight the UK time.
Yeah.
I have a feeling one of these people who got the embargo news in the UK, maybe BBC or whatever, broke the story a little bit early. Maybe they scheduled it for the wrong time. And then Google had to come out with the news. Any event, Google, it's live in the UK, but although it's not, a lot of people aren't seeing it. I only saw one person that just saw it just a minute before I started recording this, but everybody's I'm trying in the UK and I can't see it. And that's how Google kind of releases stuff. They roll it out and they say it's rolling out, but it's not really rolled out. But if you are in the UK, you should be able to see AI mode hopefully soon. And it will change everything.
Future of search.
You have feelings.
Future.
I tried to use emotion there. I'm sure if it came across okay.
No.
Let's
run it back. Try it again.
And it will change
more
everything.
Feeling. I want more feeling. More.
Putting jazz hands?
I don't know. I give up. Anyway, what's going on with shopping?
Well, if you are having a problem using Google's new upgraded shopping features that we've been talking about for the past year, not being able to find what you are looking for, good news, AI is here to save the day. Google has a new Help Me Shop in AI mode, and it looks like it is underneath a product listing set within the SERPs. This particular gentleman, this was, who found this one? I'm not sure. Damien, Dame on Twitter X, was looking for a Hedgehog Supersonic bundle, which I did some research, and it appears to be sort of like a set of gaming cards, sort of like Magic the Gathering. The examples that were being pulled in and the product listing and just the products were sort of I would say, like stuffed animal Sonic the Hedgehogs. Underneath it says, help me shop in AI mode. And when Damien hit this, it took a while for this to populate, And then it started showing different Sonic bundle games in AI. And there's a whole lot of text in there as well. I do not like this experience. I think Google Shopping is like on the tipping point of being phenomenal, like the go-to source for any e-commerce supplier out there. And this has just a lot of text in there when you hit this. And you can keep scrolling down and you can see some games at the beginning and then some other things and some stuffed animals and stuff like that. I do not like this personally. I like shopping. I think Google Shopping, like I've said many times, could be the feature, could be the number one like source for Google revenue moving forward. I do not think this is it. It seems like a clunky rollout of something that is worse than the shopping results, in my personal opinion. What did you think, Barry? Did you like this?
I am definitely not a shopping expert like you, and that's why I asked you to do this story, because I know if Google hired you to run Google Shopping, it would be the number one it would be the number one shopping platform online. So
well, it's just like you've got this thing, you know that it's shopping intent that somebody's looking for. You're saying help me shop, and then you're putting a couple links out there that are not commercial shopping links, and then everything above the fold is text, and then you have to scroll down. That's not a good shopping experience.
No,
this
100%.
is a dumb thing.
It's like you're typing in a SKU, or almost like a SKU, and obviously the person wants to buy it now. It's a long query. They want that product. They don't need to read all about it. They already know they want it. So I agree.
Do you really feel Greg would be able to do that?
Yeah,
Yeah,
that
sure,
was
of
great
course.
praise.
Dude.
No. I just want to know if Barry feels again.
I have feelings, just like I feel like you're really good at reading menus.
I am not. I order the same thing every time. I'm one of those people.
Me too.
Think what worked.
He missed it again.
Honestly.
No, I got it. I was commenting about I got it. The brain up there somewhere.
Oh, I love that running
So
thing.
this is Google's testing. This is weird. AI generated menu summaries within the menu item. So this was spotted by Claudia Tarina. And it was for a listing called Big Rock Italian Chop House, which is also the name of a 1970s horror movie. And it's not. It was a joke. Flat. Yeah. So it looks like, tell me if I'm wrong, it's summarizing the menu cat. So it has soups. And it's not actually an AI generated menu, but it's summarizing what's on the menu. So it says soups, like a little knowledge panel card within the listing, and it says warm up with onion, ale, or seafood. I don't know what onion ale is, but it sounds delicious. I think it's supposed to be a comma there. Onion soup. I don't know. It's just spitting out gibberish.
Yeah, it's weird. 100%, it's weird. I guess I don't know why Google's doing it. I don't understand it. Like, just show the menu. But
Doesn't it cost them a ton of money to run the salads?
Morty,
Fresh
you're not a
salad
fan
options, including Chop House.
you're not a fan of OPAs?
What's an? I mean, an
Onion
IPA.
paleo. No, it's a new thing.
Are we okay?
anyway, everyone have a great day. We'll cut it there. And can't wait to read what's on Morty's menu for tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Oh, God.